Huh? Just taking a video. Hey, how you doing?
He trained for a year completely. 1 year he had Tour de France. He came back and won the Tour de France next year. So he set up an organization, Live Strong.
Which supports different causes. There one yellow one.
Originally, yellow one ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, Yellow Silicon Band, which supports liver cancer.
Liver cancer, yeah.
Then they started making different colored bands.
Lovely cookies Urmila.
What is the significance?
You would have donated the money.
I buy this for 40 bucks. 40 bucks go for
This is to say you
fashion thing.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Authority to alter it, expand it, nothing. And beginning of the layout,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ